events, the workshops, all locked up for 2025, and we cannot wait to see you in 2026. But from all the team here at Bridge Classic Cars, we want to wish you a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.